Hello, my name is Carmen Rodriguez and I am here on behalf of the Camden City School District. We want to let all of our families know that we are completely committed to the education, the safety, and the rights of our children, all of our children, and their families. With that in mind, we listen to our families. And we have heard that there are many concerns, in particular from families that may or may not be documented. For that reason, the school district of Camden has prepared communication to try to set at ease the families and the children of our community. As of the time this recording is posted, all of our families should have received a letter from our superintendent which explains his commitment to all of our families, regardless of their status of documentation. In addition, with that letter, we have provided some guidance as to actions that families can take to prepare if an unfortunate circumstance should arise. Additional to that, we are also educating our staff on the rights of all of our families. We have shared the legal truth behind the rights of our undocumented families, and we've even shared it in actionables, the things that they must do in order to ensure that the rights of our families are protected. In addition to that, very shortly, we will be sending out some additional documents that our families can use to protect themselves and to prepare themselves in the event that something unfortunate should happen. The first of these items is a guide for parents to prepare themselves, particularly our families of undocumented children or undocumented parents. Again, this is just a plan. You do not need to share this with us. This is solely for your purposes, so that in the event that if the event should ever occur in which you find yourself in need, it's already been taken care of and you're completely ready. With the security plan, there are steps that you can follow to help you prepare. For example, writing down the name of a lawyer or a family member or any other member within the community that you would reference. In addition is a caregiver's guide. Anyone that you take care of, child, adult, you can write their names, who would become responsible for their care, and how to contact that person. Again, this is solely for you to keep. In addition to that, we also have some other suggestions that you may take if you choose, such as writing a letter for temporary custody of your child in the event of an emergency, and who would hold your legal documents or copies of your legal documents so that you have a second person to keep this information, as well as phone numbers and emails where people can actually reach out to and find additional information to help you. This is solely for your purposes to keep on your person and to possibly share with someone that you know and trust. The second item that should be going home is a backpack safety card. This particular item is useful for every child in our school district. In here, we would like for you to indicate the name and address of the child, the guardian's name, any siblings, and the schools where they go to, and in addition, up to 2 contacts in the event of an emergency. A child can get lost, or if they should come home and nobody's home. This will give someone, whether it's a school personnel or a police officer a resource that they can use to ensure the safety of your child, so that we can make sure that your child is in the hands of someone you trust. Additional to that, and again, this should be in the child's backpack and on their person at all times. It is simply to ensure their safety. In addition to that, we will be sending a small flip over, which is adapted from the ACLU guidance. This particular document explains the rights that you have in this country, regardless of your documentation status. We would like for you to keep this on to review it and keep it on your person as a reminder of what you know you can do. The Camden City School District is completely committed to all of our families and children. We have created this initiative to ensure that all of our families understand that the education, the security, the safety, and the well-being of all of our children and their family is absolutely most important, and that your rights will always be cared for. We ask that if you see this video, that you take advantage of these resources, and if you know of somebody who may need this information, please share it with them. Thank you.